India, a country with 120 crore telecom subscribers, has the second largest user base in the entire world. Since 2014, the broadband subscriber base has increased by 1,200% to 99 crore, and the average data consumption per user has grown more than 20-fold. India has recently demonstrated Atmanirbhar 4G capability. The time has come for a qualitative leap forward to shape the future of telecommunications in India and the world. Towards this objective, the Government of India has taken several steps to develop the entire 5G ecosystem within the country. In an effort to nurture talent, Department of Telecommunications conducted a 5G hackathon where startups were given an opportunity to showcase their innovations. To improve rural 5G coverage, new enhanced wireless standards called 5GSI and Low Mobility Large Cell LMLC were developed jointly by Indian academia and industry. These enhanced standards are now part of the global 5G standard. Till now, India did not have a test facility, and hence, startups and companies had to go abroad. With a fund of 224 crore rupees, more than 300 engineers and 40 scientists across 8 institutes collaborated to develop a complete end-to-end 5G test bed facility. The test bed has all the components of the 5G network ranging from the antennas, radios, the base stations, to the core network at the heart of the systems. The test bed provides full capability to support and test IoT applications such as autonomous vehicles, smart sensors, remote robotics, and alike. The test bed supports Indian industry and startups to test and validate their 5G products, solutions, and use cases. It will also help build human resource capacity for 5G in the country. In a quest for self-reliant India 5G technology, the institutes building the test bed took a further leap to develop a secure, indigenous 5G network solution for licensing and manufacturing in India. It is a fitting testimony to the abilities of India at 75 that the entire hardware and software for the solution has been designed and successfully developed by our young engineers spread across the country. Over the coming years, the solution will meet India's needs indigenously and securely. With this strong foundation towards Atmanirbhar 5G, India is now poised to play a leading role in shaping the future of telecom technology as it marches towards 6G.